Yeah. Ernest wants to get a photo.
Yeah. Yeah, no, just a video. Because I have a vlog. Yeah. Hey mga paps, what's up liwat? Nagahimos kami sa mga kids, so say hi. We're going to meet a family. Friend ko ni siya sa gym anay. An Australian guy came to the gym and trained with us. So his name is Gary Forster. He has a Filipina wife, taga Calinog. So nagbakasyon naman sila liwat di sa Philippines. So we've been chatting sa Facebook. Kag nagplan kami nga mag-get together ang family ko kag ang pamilya. So basically daw family date. So date between families. So may ara siya duha man ka kabataan, duha ka boys. So upod ko na nga akong duha ka girls. Ano sila? And we're going to have dinner and talk. We're just going to enjoy the evening. And we're going to have fun. Ginaulat ko na lang subong si Mami kay gusto siya. Okay? Na si Mami. So makadto kami sa Plazuela, dito kami mamit by the fountain. Okay, Pops. Let's go!
Yeah. Ernest wants to get a photo.
Yeah. Yeah, no, just a video. Because I have a vlog. Yeah. Alright, so I'm with my friend here, Gary. Yeah,
Musta.
and his family. That's Steph right there.
He's shy.
Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. So we finally met again after 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah. He's been training Muay Thai 5 years ago in my gym. Now back here in Iloilo and having a vacation.
And loving it.
This guy right here gave us gifts. Yeah, he's a visitor, but he gave us gifts.
And para, I couldn't bring the box because I had so much pasalubong, I had to take it out of a box. So I hope it's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's okay, walang problema. Ikinagagalak ko.
Yeah.
Check inside.
Okay.
Make sure it fits you.
Yeah. I'll check. Okay.
Yeah, we have to take it out of the
man.
box. You're bulky and bulky.
Oh.
Yeah.
This man right here. Thank you very much.
Walang problema.
Oh.
All those chocolates.
Yeah, this is for you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Okay, fine. No problem.
Alright.
Girls, I like it.
I'll take your picture there.
Okay, salamat.
But it's a Plazuela.
Get in the car. Yeah.
So, may isa di mga carts. Yeah? You wanna eat? Dalaga na si Nino. Dalaga na akong bata!
Stop. Oh, no. Stop saying that.
It's cute.
Oh, what happened?
Wala battery. We need to fix it.
Kayo.
The girls, they're very cute. They're good girls. How old are you? 10? And your sister? 11. Oh, 1 year now.
Yeah, 1 year.
Oh, you good girls? Good girls for mama and daddy? Yeah? Without fighting? Without fighting? No fighting?
And they fight. Yeah. They fight.
Over TV?
They watch too much TV.
Too much TV?
Too much YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
Do you know anime?
Yeah, they like anime.
This one loves Dragon Ball.
Oh.
He's gonna come, Tim.
So how's your car? Yeah.
It's gonna be okay soon, Tim.
Mama's number one.
It's number one? Are you number one?
And that's number two.
You tell Tito, you strong boy?
I'm a strong boy.
Yeah.
You will tell him you like to do training with Daddy?
I like to do train with Dad.
Yeah, you train.
We fight?
You train. You be better than your daddy.
Oh. Always wants to train. Older one. I love you too.
Oh,
Don't hit anyone, eh? Don't run anyone over.
kamo yan. Hindi na kamo magsakay.
Hindi na sila. They said they're too big for that.
No, I didn't. Let's turn.
Ah, ikaw yeah. You still want to...
No, I didn't.
To sakay.
But I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired. Okay.
Oh, don't hit the girl! Don't hit the girl!
That is coming after you. Someone else.
Wacky. Good job. Oh, that's three. That's not pizza.
So pictorial kami subong sa mga figurines. Okay.
Memories, the memories. Come on. Last one, last one.
Last one.
It's okay though. Don't worry.
Okay, ready? Who's got the
Excuse
best
me,
smile?
girls. Excuse me.
Oh, look at who's got the best smile.
Me.
Who's
Oh
got the
my
biggest
god.
smile?
Oh my god. I love it.
What?
Smile. Zac, look at me.
So tapos ng panyapo namon, tapos naka-pictorial naman kami. So it's nice having fun with these guys, with this family. Hindi kayo, matabok sila mo. Matabok sila. Okay.
Nice
So,
meeting
okay.
Bye,
It's been a
girl.
pleasure to see you.
Are.
Sorry.
So you can just contact me anytime.
I will indeed.
Whatever.
You have to try and catch up again before I go.
Okay?
Bye, everybody.
Simi, can you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Turn around. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I hope you had fun.
Yeah.
Sorry
We
for
had
keeping you
fun.
up so late.
Salamat kid, salamat kid.
Come on.
Bye, boys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So that's it. Nami kong connect ka with other people. Although I know nga ang mga girls sa likod ni kapoy na ni sila, but you know, it's nice to know other people and connect with other people, especially with the family from
Abroad.
other countries. Okay, you can share a lot of things. Tapos medyo nagasanag ang paminsadon, may galapad ang imong perspective of life and stuff like that. So thank you very much sa pag-upod naman. Sa sunod naman, okay, bye bye you.